NeverMiss Technology is our way of delivering an amazing cleaning experience where you've got excellent coverage, excellent cleaning, no matter what floor surface you're on.
NeverMiss was really geared towards not only amping up and cleaning the areas that are dirty better, but getting to all the areas of your home.
On our robot vacuums, we have dry edge detect, wet edge detect for mopping, and dirt detect. It is super, super intelligent, and it's designed for the house that you live in. Everyone's got different rugs. Some people have no rugs, some people have all rugs. This robot will clean any floor surface that you've got in your home.
So in dry and wet mode, if the robot's up against your wall, it knows that, and it can blow an extra amount of air up against the corner to kind of push all the debris into its path and then pick it up. And in mopping mode only, it also extends the mop pad out beyond the width of the robot to really reach all the way to your baseboards and mop all the inches of the floor.
We've worked closely with the testing team on the product development side to share common debris types we've heard people mention in their home.
What should we test for stains, dry debris, and everything that the robot picks up?
Stain types that we've heard most common are like those dried stains that maybe you didn't realize you dribbled a little bit of coffee on your way to the trash can.
Any debris you can think of, we've been putting it through the test.
This is truly the smartest robot innovation from Shark.
People are like, oh, my home's too complicated for a robot, my home's too messy for a robot, that could never work in my home. It's not really a one-size-fits-all. It's more of the robot will learn your home and your habits and kind of adjust to that.